Which oil protects better? We have covered Pennzoil versus Mobil 1 Extended Performance and one of Pennzoil's signature series. So how does Valvoline Restore and Protect differ from Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Motor Oil? These oils were engineered with completely opposite philosophies in mind. Choosing the wrong one for your specific situation could cost you thousands in repairs or leave performance on the table. Let us start with Pennzoil. Ultra Platinum is not made from crude oil like 99% of other motor oils out there. This oil comes from natural gas through a process called gas-to-liquid technology. When you convert natural gas into base oil, you start with the purest possible foundation. There are no impurities, no sulfur, no heavy metals, none of the junk that crude oil carries from being buried underground. This means Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is essentially a designer molecule built from the ground up to be the perfect lubricant. Traditional synthetic oils start with crude oil that gets refined and processed until it is clean enough. The result is an oil that flows better at cold temperatures and resists breakdown at high temperatures. I have torn down engines with over 150,000 miles, and the internals looked like they had maybe 30,000 miles on them. Now let us talk about Valvoline Restore and Protect, because this oil takes a completely different approach. Valvoline asked, what about the millions of engines already out there that are dirty, sludged up, and losing power? Valvoline loaded this oil with proprietary cleaning additives that actively remove existing sludge and carbon buildup. Think of Pennzoil as the person who never lets his house get dirty. Valvoline is the professional cleaning crew. Valvoline claims their formula can restore up to 75% of lost engine power in the first oil change. People putting this in high-mileage engines were seeing measurable improvements. Smoother idle, better throttle response. One test on a 200,000-mile Honda Accord showed improved fuel economy after just one oil change. But before you rush out, understand the trade-offs. These additives can be harsh on engine seals. The cleaning action removed deposits that were actually helping seal small gaps, potentially causing minor leaks. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, on the other hand, is built for longevity and resists oxidation better. I have seen oil analysis reports showing Pennzoil still having excellent properties at 10,000 miles. If you are driving a brand new vehicle, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is the superior choice, hands down. Pennzoil claims up to 550 extra miles per year compared to a dirty engine. That comes from reduced friction. Valvoline Restore and Protect is your go-to if you are dealing with an engine that has been neglected. It will clean up the piston rings and remove deposits that cause oil burning, literally saving engines. Subscribe if you find this information valuable. Choose the right oil for your engine's needs. Engines built before 2005 were not designed with the tight clearances of modern motors. These older engines actually benefit from an oil that provides cushioning. Valvoline's additive package is specifically formulated to condition seals and gaskets, keeping them pliable and preventing leaks in classic cars or high-mileage vintage trucks. Neither of these oils is perfect for every situation. Sometimes the best strategy is to use both. This cleans a neglected engine before long-term maintenance. Think of it as pressure washing your engine internals and then applying a ceramic coating. Let us talk about cost, because this matters to real people. Pennzoil runs about $35, while Valvoline is around $30. However, if Pennzoil allows for longer intervals, you are actually saving money long-term. Use oil analysis like Blackstone Labs to verify intervals. I have seen Pennzoil Ultra Platinum go 12,000 miles in highway-driven vehicles with perfect results. Can you mix these oils? In an emergency, yes. Both are full synthetics. But don't make it a habit because you dilute the specific additive benefits. Turbocharged engines reach temperatures over 1,000 degrees. Pennzoil's thermal stability makes it exceptional. It does not cook or break down under sustained boost. Direct injection engines suffer from carbon buildup. Pennzoil's gas-to-liquid purity means less volatile oil vapor, which keeps intake valves significantly cleaner over time. When temperatures drop below freezing, Pennzoil stays fluid down to -47 degrees. Protection starts within seconds of startup, preventing critical cold start wear. In hot weather, Pennzoil's base oil maintains film strength better. If you are towing heavy loads in desert climates, this high-temperature stability truly matters. Additives make up 90% of protective properties. Pennzoil focuses on longevity and stability, using a base oil so pure it needs less chemical help. Valvoline loads up on active cleaning agents and seal conditioners, which work aggressively but deplete faster. This brings us to zinc, more accurately called ZDDP. Zinc is the magic ingredient that prevents cam lobe and lifter wear in high-pressure areas. Modern oils have reduced ZDP levels to protect catalytic converters. But older engines and performance engines need more zinc. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum has moderate ZDDP levels suitable for modern engines. Valvoline Restore and Protect also has appropriate ZDDP for current vehicles. But if you are running a classic muscle car, neither of these has enough zinc. You will need to add a ZDDP supplement or use a specialized racing oil. Here is a real-world example that illustrates the difference. A customer brought in a 2015 Ford F-150 with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost. It had 75,000 miles and he complained about sluggish acceleration. The engine was clean outside, but when we scoped the intake, the valves were heavily carboned. We switched him to Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. 6 months and 10,000 miles later, fuel economy improved by 2 miles per gallon. The Pennzoil was keeping the PCV system incredibly clean. Another customer had a 2008 Honda Civic burning a quart every 1,000 miles. We put it on Valvoline Restore and Protect. When he returned, oil consumption decreased to a quart every 3,000 miles. The cleaning additives in Valvoline freed up the piston rings. Your choice of oil filter matters almost as much as your choice of oil. A cheap filter will not trap particles smaller than 30 microns. Look for filters rated to trap particles down to 10 to 15 microns. Brands like Mobil 1 and Wix make excellent filters. Do not cheap out with a $3 filter when you are running $30 oil. It defeats the entire purpose. Now for the controversial part, oil additives. If you are using premium synthetics, adding aftermarket additives is usually unnecessary and potentially harmful. Pennzoil's gas-to-liquid process is cleaner to produce than traditional crude refining. It is less energy-intensive, and the base oil is more biodegradable. Oil consumption rates tell you a lot. A healthy engine might consume a quart every 5,000 miles. If it's more, something is wrong. Pick one brand. Stick with it for at least 3 oil changes and let it do its job. Consistency is key for engine health. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is the superior choice for German luxury vehicles like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi. These engines demand the best lubrication. Valvoline Restore and Protect is perfect for American trucks used for work. These vehicles see severe duty cycles, towing, and hauling. If you are serious about engine life, start doing used oil analysis. For $30, the data you get is invaluable for maintenance. Pennzoil is the perfectionist's oil, while Valvoline is the mechanic's oil. Choose based on where your engine is now and where you want it to be. And remember, the best oil means nothing if you do not change it regularly. Use quality filters and enjoy hundreds of thousands of miles.